Well, these C4s are becoming more collectible every day, and this is an absolutely beautiful 1993 Chevrolet Corvette 40th Anniversary Convertible. Boy, this car looks great, doesn't it? Just take a look at these pictures here, well, our videos here, and also pictures on our website at buyavet.net. This is that stunning ruby red on the exterior with a ruby red interior and ruby red convertible top. And under the hood, you'll find a 300 horsepower LT1 engine with automatic transmission, posi rear end. Now, factory features include on this 40th anniversary package. That includes dual power sports seats, electronic climate control, performance axle ratio, FX3 selective ride and handling package, and of course we have the Bose Gold AM FM CD cassette stereo. You'll find the luggage rack on the back of this car along with fog lamps, power windows, power locks. Well, we don't have to say any more about that. Everything is power on this car. And best of all, it comes with a clean Carfax and is loaded with options. Now, this 1993 Corvette 40th Anniversary Convertible shows, believe it or not, just 16,079 miles, and it is in very nice condition. Paint is in very good condition, stunning shine. The convertible top is in very good to excellent condition, and those factory wheels are in very good condition as well, as are the window sweeps. This has the correct Goodyear Eagle GS-C tires, and they show an average depth of 8/32 tread remaining. And the interior of this car, well, just take a look at it. The interior of this 1993 Corvette 40th Anniversary shows excellent factory leather seats, very good center console, very good carpeting, the door panels and steering wheel. It's all just like you would expect. This car is completely factory stock and features a corrosion-free subframe. So give us a call today here at buyavet.net. Give one of our sales representatives a call at 770-414-5552. Remember, we always have 120 or more Corvettes in stock, and we can ship nationwide or worldwide anytime. We make buying a Corvette online as easy as can be. So give us a call here at buyavet.net in Atlanta, Georgia.